Welcome to LFTR Diaries. We are a traveling family of 4 from Washington out enjoying the Great Lakes and great music this summer. This episode finds us making a long trek from Lexington to Minneapolis. We stayed a couple harvest hosts along the way and make it in time to catch a Noah Kahan concert in St. Paul. Clay drove a little bit today.
Woo, finally.
We are leaving the Cracker Barrel here in Crawfordsville, Indiana. It was not quiet, but it did the job.
Yeah.
We've been working all morning. JoJo got her school done, and it's about 12:15. We're gonna take a little lunch break drive to dump the tanks. We all got a shower this morning and refill our water, and then we'll head on to a Walmart, finish our work time there probably, and then head on to our harvest house tonight. So a little bit of chores on the road because we're on the move a lot this week, and we want to be free to enjoy ourselves when we get to our destination at the end of this week. So that's what we're up to.
Can't wait. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
So this is a California style dump. I call it California style because they make you pay. So you gotta get your hose like all the way ready.
Oh, because if you accidentally close it after you pay, then it's...
Then you just lost your $10.
Yep.
So we're gonna Apple Pay. Got approved, yay. Stuff I'd like to put away.
What do you got?
Awesome when we can fit the rig in an Aldi parking lot.
It never happens.
I know, it's amazing. It's like when you get to fit in a Trader Joe's, it's like, whoo!
It's a win.
I know. We don't even have Aldi. The whole time Joe and I were in there, we were like, man, why don't we have Aldi in Washington? This is great. We were so quick. Like, yeah. I miss Aldi.
You might be wondering what's going on here. This is a harvest host outside Peoria, Illinois that had very nice, very clear instructions about where and how to park. What was not mentioned is that there may be a car blocking the drive and no way to contact anyone to move it. We tried to squeeze through and got some branches caught on our solar panels. Once we got those loose, we made it to a nice big spot, but it was definitely a bit of an adventure getting there. So after our fiasco, we got settled into our spot, got leveled out. And then there's just been like random cars coming and going, which is odd. And then we had somebody, while I was getting stuff out of the cooler, like drive up and be like, do you own this property? Which, I mean, like, clearly I don't. I have Washington plates. We're in Illinois. I'm camping here, clearly. I don't own this property. I felt really uncomfortable because I was out by myself, and I'm like, just wondering. I was like, no, we're guests of harvest hosts, and
There's literal signs everywhere.
and there's like literally harvest host signs everywhere. And so this is the closest we've probably come to packing up and just leaving at a harvest host. Except for the one that had burned down the night before.
The
we
one
got
that had
there.
burned down was like, I don't know, should we stay or should we go?
That was a little weird, but the people were really nice and very
nice.
welcoming, and I wanted to like support them because they'd had a
I guess
tragedy, you know.
Yeah.
But this one, it's just a weird check-in process, a weird getting situated process. Just overall like really weird vibes.
Well, I still don't understand. Okay, this is like a pavilion.
And we're not parked by the actual like attraction, so we'd have to walk like a mile to even get to it.
Right.
Which is kind of lame.
Or unhitch.
Right.
Or take the rig over there.
Right.
Which is fine.
Well, I don't think the dog can be like over there at all, basically, is what they were saying. So.
Well, like not outside over there.
Yeah. Well, not even in the car, maybe.
Well, that doesn't make any sense.
Have whatever rules they want to have.
Sure. But then they should have said no pets on the Harvest Host listing.
There's a lot of things they should have said on the Harvest Host listing.
Like what?
Like, you're maybe in someone's personal yard? Question mark?
Definitely not someone's personal
Then
yard.
why are there cars there?
I don't know what those cars are there for. That is kind of tricky.
It's like just a whole situation here I'm not quite getting.
Morning, friends. Coming at you from one of the weirder Harvest Hosts. Tonneau cover of the truck to get Starlink box out and put Starlink away. And I don't know, there must have been a bee there on the tailgate drinking the water from the rain or something, because I accidentally must have smushed it with my arm and then got stung. So it's like, wait, what? That's annoying.
Sucks, I'm sorry.
And okay, so I just Googled it, how to reduce swelling, and it had a really helpful tip that I should have done but didn't.
Yeah.
Which is, I guess you're supposed to scrape the stinger off
I never knew that.
with like a credit card or something, instead of grabbing and pulling it out.
Okay.
Because if you grab and pull it out, like the venom sac that's attached
Like
to the
squeezes
stinger,
it in there.
yeah, you just like you're squeezing more venom into it. So of course I grabbed it and pulled it out. So
Of
yeah,
course.
it hurts.
I'm sorry.
Fun. So, but cold helps.
I feel like in every drive week or like big trip, there's always like a day or two that are like, that's weird. Like stuff just doesn't quite go right. So we're in that 24-hour period right now, and we should exit it by this evening. Just like little stuff, like trees getting in the way of getting into the site and having weird interactions at a Harvest Host, and I guess the bee sting is like not so little, although
It's little.
yeah.
It's not big.
You know, just gotta roll with it. But yeah, it's not like every day is perfect. Still happy to be out here. Can be happy to be leaving this spot. The universe did not want us in this spot. So we're gonna move on.
This is one of our favorite Harvest Hosts.
It really is.
Another drive day, another working from the passenger seat.
This is our last big day in our big push up to Minneapolis from Lexington. It's gone well.
Really well.
It only took us like 2 days to get down.
Well, we were going from Madison. Anyway,
That's true.
we stopped at one of our favorite Harvest Hosts ever, maybe our favorite one ever, in the Cedar Rapids area. Unfortunately, Clay's family was sick, so we didn't get to meet up with them, but we planned to. We're meeting with some friends tonight in Minneapolis, so we're trying to get our butts going so we can get there and set up camp and then go see them.
Yeah, excited.
Did I turn the pump back off?
I don't know. Do you want to go in and turn the pump off and get Advil?
Yeah.
You did, didn't you?
She
Well,
went
then I had to go brush my
in
teeth.
and brushed her teeth after that. This is just how it goes. So we're stopped at a rest area, the Iowa Welcome Center with the big barn at the Iowa-Minnesota border. And this whole drive This whole drive has been extremely windy. I feel really bad. Jamie's been trying to drive it and I've been trying to work, and it's just blowing us everywhere. Even with the truck and the Airstream, it's been like, you could sort of get an idea of it if I walk over here behind the rig. It's not as bad, but yeah, listen to that. This was way worse for most of the drive. Even now, still quite a bit of wind. And it's been rough.
Where are we going?
To the concert!
To the concert! Well, we got some stuff to do first. Do we have to go? So we're getting ready to go. Sorry, had to turn off our last video there. Friday at 4, every time. Oh, gosh, it's hard to leave this beautiful campsite. I had such a great day here, just walking the trails with Jamie and Frankie, sitting outside in my camp chair, working, writing some unit tests. It sounds boring, but it's just so pleasant when the weather is this good. And had this concert to look forward to all day. So really looking forward to this. We've got like probably an hour drive into St. Paul because traffic. And Jamie already found us a spot with Park Whiz and a surface lot. So that's kind of a big deal when you're taking the dually into the city. So she found us a good spot. We're gonna park there. There's supposed to be a restaurant, a pub, or something like that in the XL Energy Center. So we're gonna pop into there and eat some dinner. I already made JoJo some eggs just now because she has a hard time finding what she wants at a restaurant. So made her some eggs over easy, and she's scarfing those down, and we're gonna hit the road. I can't believe we're seeing Noah Kahan twice in 2 weeks. It's unbelievable. We're so lucky. So love to do this.
Ocean breeze blowing in your hair. Come to
This is our third weekend in a row going to a show. So first we did the Sylvie in Madison, which is like a smallish, medium-ish venue to see Bleachers. Last weekend, we were at Railbird in Lexington, which is an outdoor music festival. And this weekend, we are in the XL Energy Center in Minneapolis to see... Oh, you can't see him yet. Noah Kahan. It's Noah Kahan.
It's why we keep falling through eons. We should be leaning each other all the way. Why we keep waiting for it. Let's spin around, run back through the gates. Why we keep calling, wandering aimless.
Thanks for tuning in to LFTR Diaries. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Next week, we're bringing you along to check out Duluth and Minnesota's North Shore. Until next Friday, we'll see you down the road.